Hi guys!
Hi, this is Shami
This is Didi
and this is our very first vlog. We welcome you all to our channel
and we are very excited.
Yeah. This vlog is going to be about how we celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi this year. As you all know, this pandemic changed our lives like anything. The way we celebrated our festivals back in 2019 is so different, and the way we're celebrating them now, it has been different. And so we have made this vlog to show you how we celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi during this pandemic. We made the Ganesh idol at home and also the decorations. We'll show you how we did that, and we hope you enjoy it.
So to start with, we first ordered the My Own Ganesha kit from Meeta Kriti Art Studio, which comes with a few primary colors like red, blue, green, yellow, white, clay modeling knives, painting brushes, decorative materials, a guide on how to go about with, and most importantly, the terracotta clay ball. Terracotta clay is a natural clay. It is pollution free and helps to maintain the greenery in the environment. So, Meeta Kriti Art Studio helped us in celebrating a very eco-friendly Ganesh Chaturthi this year. We are very thankful to them, and their link is given in the description box. Please do check. Making the Ganesh idol with this clay was super easy. I made various shapes with my hands and used water to make the surface smooth for a finishing touch. While you watch Didi make the idol, let me tell you the story of Lord Ganesha's broken tusk. It is said that the great Hindu epic Mahabharata was written by Lord Ganesha, while Ved Vyasa, who is believed to be the actual author of the story, narrated it to Lord Ganesha. Mahabharata is one of the longest epics, and Ganesha, who is known as one of the most mischievous gods in Hindu mythology, asked Vedvyasa to narrate the epic all at once without stopping, or else Ganesha would walk away with the literature. Vedvyasa agreed, and while the two were collectively putting the story together, the ancient pen that Ganesha was using to write the story broke, since it could not match Ganesha's speed. However, Ganesha did not stop writing and simply broke one of his tusks and continued to write. Even with Ganesha writing continuously and Ved Vyasa narrating it non-stop, this great epic took 3 years to complete. This broken tusk gave Bappa the name Ekadantaya. Well, there are many more stories about Bappa's broken tusk, but this one is my favorite.
सुमनानी भरली ओंजळ नित्य रीती व्हावी चरणावर आन्हे बालक सुमधुर हासे भावतसे वाहो सुरातून ओंकार गणपती अधिपती सुखपती छंदपती गंधपती सुरपती लीन निरंतर हो लीन निरंतर हो सूर निरागस हो.
Cute little Undir Mama was made by me. And finally, after a fun time of 1.5 hours, our Papa was ready. We kept the idol for drying and started painting the next day. I first painted the complete idol white. Then the dhoti was painted red, and I also sprinkled some lead glitter to give it a sparkling look. The crown was painted in gold. Use different shades of skin color to paint Bapa's body. The most fun part was the shadings on Bappa's ears and the details on the face. The festival was revived twice. Once by the great Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in the 1600s to promote nationalism, and secondly by the great freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak in 1892, who made it a public event from private at a time when public, social and political gatherings were banned by the British. Since then, people have been celebrating this festival with great enthusiasm and glory. Anglo the Gubernatus, who won 14 Nobel Prizes in literature and was a Sanskrit scholar, wrote in the Bombay Gazette, which was published in 1886, "I followed with the greatest curiosity crowds who carried in procession an infinite number of idols of the god Ganesh, each little quarter of the town, each family with its adherents, each little street corner, I may almost say, organizes a procession of its own, and the poorest may be seen carrying a simple plank, their little idol of paper mache. A crowd, more or less numerous, accompanies the idol, clapping hands and raises cries of joy, while a little orchestra generally precedes the idol." Making the idol by ourselves gave us a chance to connect to God and thank Him for His creation like never before. And the idol was ready in its full splendor. These materials were used to make the umbrella you see hanging here. We used a few crepe papers colored in different colors to make those flowers, and A4 size charts in cream color shade to make the leaves, a thick foam sheet in some golden papers, and a pink glittery cloth, and the Simhasana was ready. It is difficult to put date on when people first started Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations. However, many experts believe that the history of Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations can be traced back to the reigns of the dynasties which ruled over the ancient India from 2nd century BC to 951 AD.
नाम जो तेरा दिल से पुकारे उसकी लगी है नैया किनारे जब जब बाजे बाजे ढंका तेरा बप्पा ढंका तेरा बप्पा ढंका तेरा बढ़कर बदकिस्मतों की तू बिगड़ी सवारे हे विघ्न हरता है बप्पा विघ्न हरता
And finally, the day arrived.
दुःख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची
पूर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम पाजयाची
सर्वांगी सुंदर उभी शेंदुराची
कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव
रत्न खचिता फरा तुझ गौरी कुमरा
चंदनाची ओटी कुंकुम केशरा
हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो बरा
रुणझुणती नूपुरे चरणी घागरिया जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव
लंबोदर पीता
And like always, we also hope that this year too, the remover of obstacles will shower us with his blessings and wipe out all the struggles from our life.
अगले बरस आना है आना ही होगा देखेंगी तेरी राहें प्यासी प्यासी निगाहें तो मान ले तू मान भी ले कहना मेरा लौट के तुझको आना है सुन ले कहता दीवाना है जब तेरा दर्शन पाएंगे चैन तब हमको पाना है मोरिया 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 रे अप्पा मोरिया 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 रे मोरिया 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 रे अप्पा मोरिया 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 रे
You all are very happy and safe. Ganesh Chaturthi. Bye. Thank you for watching.